the ultimate goal of your life is important, but more important is to find the correct path which will lead you to that goal. And today, being a student of GH Raisoni College of Commerce, Science and Technology, I can surely say that I found my path which will lead me to better learning, discovering new talent and developing self-confidence. For me, it's been a year now being a part of this incredible institution, and I can assure you that it is everything I've ever dreamt of. I still remember the first day of my college. I didn't know where life was taking me. I didn't know that I would meet the coolest teachers, even cooler than the ones we see in movies. They teach us with full of their effort and compassion towards their profession. Also, there have been so many extracurricular activities such as Infinity, which aspire us to gain better confidence and good communication skills. There have been Code Crack, NSP, RPF, Dandiya, Garba, and many more like that. Also, we got an application development course which helped us understand how application software are actually developed. And being a student of Bachelor's in Computer Applications, it was all I could ever ask for. So what are you waiting for? Enroll yourself now and be a part of this incredible institution.